press shop might not sound much, but this is where the outer shell of the vehicle is made. The doors, the hood, the side body panels, etc. All these parts start their life here as sheets of metal. I spent a good deal of time with the plant manager who took me through the different dies used in the press machine and how they are regularly checked and maintained. The speed at which these metal sheets were converted to body panels is just amazing. I timed the machine to produce somewhere around 18 body panels per minute, which means the machine could beat out 1080 sheets of metal into body panels in an hour. With all this speed, Hyundai has not neglected quality. There are random checks done between every 30 to 40 body panels to make sure that there are no cracks or deformations of any kind. A special process called as oil stoning helps in better visibility of these cracks or deformation.
So Hyundai takes a lot of care when it comes to manufacturing cars, but not only that, but also in terms of the people that are helping produce these cars. I mean, I was not allowed to touch these faulty panels without the safety gloves. This is one of the first panels here. You can see the kind of deformation there. This is a rejected panel. But if you shift your eye, it looks faulty. There's another panel here and it's marked. There's deformation. I am trying to feel it. I'm trying to find the deformation myself, but I'm not able to see it. I mean, that's the kind of attention to detail that these guys are paying. This is not a Lamborghini plant or something like that, but yeah. Moving out of the press shop, let's head to the body shop where all the parts that we have received from the press shop are put together from the outer shell of the body. Let's head on inside.
We started at the station which makes the underbody of the car. The different parts of the underbody were being spot welded together by robots, which again were manufactured by Hyundai. Just another reminder of how technologically evolved Hyundai is. There were just 2 humans present amongst all these automated machines with a hammer and a chisel. And they would check key stress points just to make sure that the welds are properly done. If I could just mute all the mechanical noises around the plant, I think there was a certain harmony in the way the humans and machines were working together on the assembly line. The marriage line is where the chassis and the drivetrain meet for the first time. This is the most critical moment in any automobile manufacturing process. But here at Hyundai, the systems and the people make it look easy. Before the front and the rear bumper goes onto the car, it's once again checked for defects. Attention to detail is everywhere. Once the tires are mounted here, the car then moves to a pre-check area where the electricals are checked and the engine is pumped in with fluids. Post the basic checks, the car is then moved to a well-lit area where everything from the internal lights to the wipers, the underbody of the car is thoroughly checked with an intent of finding flaws. Only after the car has passed all the quality checks, it has then truly rolled off the assembly line.